Welcome to The Explainer. Today, we're diving into a shocking link between your late-night screen time and your metabolism.
So, ask yourself, could that midnight scrolling actually be stopping your body from burning fat? Let's find out.
We live in a 24-hour society. Constantly staring at laptops and phones totally blurs day and night. The sneaky culprit here? It's the specific short-wavelength blue light blasting out of all your everyday LED devices.
That light hits your eyes, travels to the hypothalamus, and literally tricks your brain's internal clock into daytime mode.
Your master brain clock, the suprachiasmatic nucleus, gets completely confused by blue light, totally throwing off your rhythm.
This fake daylight scrambles your genetic feedback loops, entirely short-circuiting your body's natural sleep cycle. It's crazy.
Think about it. Evening blue light spikes glucose and blocks melatonin, while dim light perfectly supports restorative sleep. Without melatonin, you get shallow sleep. This means your body entirely bypasses its prime slow-wave fat-burning window.
Plus, late-night light spikes your HOMA-IR. That's basically just a measure of how poorly your body handles glucose.
Get this. Evening blue-enriched light can spike your insulin resistance by up to 19% almost immediately.
Just one night of this carries over. It increases your nighttime heart rate and completely stalls tomorrow's metabolism.
It also hits a newly discovered pathway, directly inhibiting your brown fat and forcing glucose metabolism to drop.
A University of Tsukuba study actually looked into this, comparing standard LEDs against warmer, low-blue OLEDs.
The data is wild. Standard white LEDs drastically reduce overnight fat oxidation compared to those low-blue OLEDs.
We call this a mitochondrial blackout. Energy production stalls, and your cells literally lose the flexibility to burn fat.
So, here's the fix. Choosing smarter light sources that align with your biological rhythm actually mitigates this damage. Standard LEDs block fat oxidation, while low-blue OLEDs or just dimming the lights unlocks natural fat burning.
Which leaves us with one question. Are you going to let this invisible thief steal your metabolism tonight?